सो बिफोर आई शो यू द फाइनल रिवील ऑफ द स्टूडियो, मैं एक दो स्निपेट्स डालना चाहती हूँ ऑफ द मेन प्रोडक्ट्स जो स्टूडियो रिवील से पहले डिलीवर हुए थे। सबसे पहले ये सोफ़ा जो एकदम जैसे मैंने ऑर्डर किया था वैसे ही बन के आया था। आई वॉज़ वेरी वेरी हैप्पी ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर डे एंड या
जब आप बंद करें इसको ऐसे कर दीजिए।
अच्छा अच्छा
ठीक है,
ओके
नहीं तो टूट जाएगा।
ठीक है। सो जैसे मैंने प्रीवियस वीडियो में बोला था दैट मैंने एक फुल लेंथ मिरर ऑर्डर किया है एंड अनदर वन फॉर द वैनिटी। तो आज उसका डिलीवरी है एंड मैं यही पिक करने गई थी। दिस डे वेयर इफ़ आई हैड ऑलरेडी मैंशन इन द वीडियो, अगर मैंने आप लोग को बताया था मेरे मतलब लिविंग एरिया के एकदम सामने जो बालकनी है, दिस हैज़ अ सेगमेंट हियर जहाँ मैं सोच रही थी वी नीड अ गुड मिरर, अ बिग साइज मिरर एंड उस पर वी हैड दिस आइडिया कि उस पर ये एक ऐसा कॉर्नर बनाएंगे कि मतलब कोई आएगा भी तो दे कैन क्लिक पिक्चर्स। सो आई ऑलवेज वॉन्टेड अ लॉट ऑफ मिरर्स बिकॉज घर तो बड़ा बड़ा लगता है एंड मतलब बहुत ढूंढने के बाद वी लाइक लिटरली वेंट एंड स्काउटेड थ्रू एवरी वेबसाइट एंड इट वॉज सो महंगा, लाइक बहुत ही एक्सपेंसिव था। एवरीथिंग वॉज लाइक 20,000 प्लस एंड आई डेंट थिंक कि मिरर्स इतने एक्सपेंसिव है। देन आई थॉट कि चलो यहीं पे अगर बन जाएगा तो थोड़ा कम में भी होगा, मैं खुद देख भी लूँगी। तो वी वेंट, आई वेंट विद माई ब्रदर। इफ यू हैड सीन द प्रीवियस क्लिप्स आपको पता लगेगा, कहीं पे नहीं मिला। देयर वॉज दिस वन शॉप एंड दे सेड ओनली डे में। तो मतलब जब मैं घुसी बाहर ही एक वैसा मिरर था, ऐसा फुल लेंथ स्टैंडिंग मिरर एंड उस पर एक मतलब पीछे सपोर्ट भी था, बट दैट वॉज ब्लैक इन कलर एंड दैट वॉज स्मॉलर इन साइज एंड आई वॉन्टेड अ बिगर साइज एंड आई वॉन्टेड दिस शेप, यू क्या बोलते हैं इसको, वो शेप चाहिए था एंड आई वॉन्टेड इट टू हैव लाइक टीक वुड कलर और गोल्ड। वो भी थोड़ा महंगा पड़ा बिकॉज सिर्फ वही दुकान बना रहे थे ऐसा मिरर्स एंड बट इट वॉज चीपर देन ऑनलाइन, सो आई थॉट नहीं बना लेते एंड आई सॉ देयर कलेक्शन, इट वॉज गुड, लाइक दे मेड सच मिरर्स। आई मेंशन ऑन द डिटेल्स ऑफ द प्लेस, ठीक है, अगर आपको भी कभी बनाना पड़े। आई ऑर्डर 2 ऑफ दीज, वन ऑफ द फुल लेंथ मिरर एंड वन फॉर माई वैनिटी। आई जस्ट वेंट टू द स्टोर दिस मॉर्निंग and I saw the mirror and it just got delivered. I mean, can you see that? It is exactly the way I wanted it to be. It has turned out so beautiful. I cannot wait कि मैं मतलब इस एरिया को सजाऊं जैसे मैंने सोचा था। So on the next day, my mattress got delivered before even the bed came in. So I was even more excited and happy to see the mattress come just the way I have ordered and thought to be. So I have been looking for a lamp for my living room and after like almost 2 months, मेरे पास कुछ तो आया जो मुझे जैसा चाहिए था. And I came across this brand and I have ordered a lamp as a floor lamp. Now I'm quickly going to unbox and see कि ये सच में वैसा आया कि नहीं. I'm very very skeptical and excited भी हूँ, पर देखती हूँ. This is a little expensive for me, but मैंने सोचा नहीं, I want something जो मेरे whole vibe के साथ जाए भी. So let's quickly unbox this and set it up and see if it all comes together. that's how my living area looks like at the moment, and we are doing a little planting session over here. मतलब किया था, but the planters turned out to be smaller क्योंकि एरिया का पम्प बहुत बड़ा होगा, तो we changed and we are thinking कि इस पे कर ले. आज कुछ construction हो रहा है, तो I'm not vlogging anything, but this is what the situation looks like and I'm very happy that मैं खुद के घर पे ये सब कर पा रही हूँ. I'm so happy, alhamdulillah. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking in this video, and if you have read by the title, you already know what this video is going to be all about. But first, let me give you a quick backdrop and a quick background of why I took this decision of me needing the requirement of a studio space. I started creating content from last 6 to 7 years, and after deciding to pursue this as my career, and from the last couple of years I have been doing this professionally, and this is my full-time job despite having a 9 to 5. And as you already know, and if you haven't followed me on Instagram, I think you should go take a moment and follow me on Instagram as well. While I started creating content, I had the urge and requirement to have a space of my own. So from the last couple of years, for brand shoots or for organic content, I had to like book Airbnbs, go to my friend's place and shoot my videos, and the idea came through that I finally need a space of my own. But it wasn't just for the studio purpose. I always had this notion and perspective in my mind that after a certain age or at a certain point of life, I needed to have a space of my own, which would be a reflection of my identity and what basically I as a person am. And from last couple of years, I have been house hunting like crazy. I have moved nook and corners of the city finding the right space for me, and I've miserably failed all the time. Starting of 2024, when I almost left the hope of finding a space of my own, one fine day Abba came to me and he was like, I have seen a space for you and you can just go and have a look if you want to. It's a new apartment and you can just have a look. If you find it suitable, you can think about it. And the moment I walked into the space, I was like, I'm taking this. I instantly fell in love with this space. पहला जो मतलब pointer था वो tick हो गया. That sunlight मस्त थी अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. Bits and corners तो आप लोगों ने देख ही लिया होगा. But I wanted to sit down and give you a tour of how I have curated the whole space. So know that this is the most personal reveal of my life, the most special reveal I am doing of my life, and this every piece, every nook and corner has been curated with utmost love. So every item in the studio is custom made. I just wanted to give that touch of my idea and my sort of inspiration or my sort of style, which I personally loved and which I wanted in my space to be. Basic idea of the whole studio concept was to make it calm, Pinterest coded, and to make it aesthetic in a way कि जब भी आप आओ you feel a sense of calm and आपको एक आराम सा लगे. I didn't want anything loud, anything very vibrant in my space. So I am not like that as a person. So मुझे वो ही चीज़ चाहिए था. And I'm so grateful that I could do all of it. I took my own sweet time. मतलब बहुत time लग गया to gather all of these, from the furniture to the items to the flower pots and everything. आप जब देखोगे you'll get an idea कि मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ, क्योंकि मतलब बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें थी जो मुझे मिल भी नहीं रही थी. एंड आई हैड टू कस्टम मेड, जिस पे थोड़ा पैसा भी ज़्यादा लग गया, बट आई वांटेड टू डू इट बिकॉज आई डिडंट वांट टू कॉम्प्रोमाइज ऑन एनीथिंग. सो अभी लेट्स नॉट टॉक मच and give you a tour of the first piece of my studio, which is the living room, which is ready. enter, we have the whole living space. As you walk into the space, towards my left is the couch. So this couch was the first piece which I got custom made, and this has just turned the way I wanted it to be. I wanted it to be soft, muted color, and I wanted it to just go with the vibe of the whole, you know, living room situation. I didn't want a very big couch or a very big sofa because it wouldn't just make sense, and anyway this just sits perfectly. I wanted a white cloud sofa, but somehow it didn't work out, which wasn't obviously practical for the environment or the temperament we currently stay. But yes, let me tell you about the details of how I got this couch custom made and all of it. My idea behind the couch was to have something, you know, crisp, something comfortable, something very chic, stylish, and something very fresh. We added checkered print, so to add a pop of color. Also, it came with two of these poofs which were very cute and made just the way I wanted these to be. You can place them anywhere as required. I went through multiple stores all across the city and I couldn't find it anywhere. Then I thought कि नहीं ये बनाना ही पड़ेगा. So I went ahead to Dream House Furniture, and they were so kind enough to just, you know, take my inspiration and make it just the way I wanted it to be. So to enhance the whole vibe of the couch, I also added a very beautiful white floor lamp to it, and so this is how it looks. I wanted a proper white lamp, and ये मुझे मिला Fig Living से. मतलब after scrolling through Instagram, Amazon and all sorts of websites, I couldn't find the perfect light, but I finally have this and it fits so well. I wanted to do something in this wall basically, but अभी के लिए हमने इसको खाली रखा है, मतलब ऐसे अच्छा लग रहा है. Later we'll see what more we can do and क्या नया कर सकते हैं इसमें. So moving ahead, we have added a cute little planter over there. Also rug की मतलब जब बारी आई, so I was a little skeptical कि rug चाहिए कि नहीं चाहिए, but then जब मतलब खाली खाली लग रहा था, खाली खाली भी अच्छा ही लग रहा था. But for the rug also I was thinking कि कुछ pop of color add करे, कि आजकल वो cut out वाले rugs का ज़माना है. But I went through a lot of websites and it was all so expensive. Like I didn't know कि rugs are so expensive. So after almost 3 months of juggling through websites, through physical stores, I found something similar of similar shade on Amazon and I picked it up. ये जब deliver हुआ था मुझे इतना खास पसंद नहीं आ रहा है. I was like ये बहुत similar हो गया, but जब ये मतलब अभी मैं देख रही है बहुत put together लग रहा है, and हर कोई यही बोल रहा है कि it is looking very nice with the whole vibe and it's very comfortable. Like all of my friends or family, मतलब ये आके यहीं पे लेटे रहते हैं, so it's so comfortable. Moving on with my most favorite and the most special find, my dining table. So dining table के पीछे भी एक बहुत बड़ी कहानी है जो मुझे आप लोग को बताना है. So चलो मैं डाइनिंग टेबल पे बैठ के वो चीज़ आपको बताऊंगी. So the best thing about my dining table is कि यहाँ के chairs आपको नहीं दिखते and ये बाहर के तरफ नहीं होते. So it's not the usual traditional way of you know keeping the chair. So ये chair बहुत छोटू सा है, ये अंदर चला जाता है and ऐसा होता है. ये बहुत ही convenient है, practical होता है and इतना जगह cover नहीं करता है. So that was the main motto behind curating this. जब basically हमने ये घर देखा था तो हमने यही सोचा था कि डाइनिंग टेबल तो हम लोग को राउंड लेनी पड़ेगी बिकॉज द होल सेटिंग ही वैसा था घर का. सो काउच जब हमने बनाया तो उसी हिसाब से बनवाया था कि मतलब जब डाइनिंग टेबल रखे तो जब चेयर निकाले तो वैसा एक साइज़ का हो, तो काउच बिल्कुल उसी साइज़ का बना. सो फॉर द डाइनिंग टेबल आई वेंट थ्रू लाइक फिजिकल स्टोर्स ऑलमोस्ट 2-2.5 महीने उसी में चले गए. My whole studio was empty for like first 2 months because I couldn't find the appropriate size, I couldn't find the appropriate color, I couldn't find the appropriate quality. I didn't want to go for engineered wood or anything. I wanted to do every furniture of solid wood. So after almost juggling for 3 months, I finally found a store, lucky enough to find a store in Guwahati itself, who custom made this dining table just the way I had the inspiration in my mind. And I'm so thankful and so impressed by the quality, by how it has turned out. So let me show you कि ये दिखता कैसे है. Moving on to the most loved and the highlight of my living room. The moment we thought of the style and the idea behind how we wanted our living room to be, we obviously, Sanya and me, wanted a full length mirror. And उसी पे भी वो same वो सब था कि मतलब कहीं नहीं मिल रहा था and all of that. यहाँ पे physically भी कहीं नहीं मिल रहा था, but luckily we got a store which custom made our mirror, and so we thought of this basically. And this is what we created. Let me show you. So the moment you enter, you get to see yourself in this huge mirror. We added a big Erica palm here, and this rug goes so well, just how we thought of the whole space to be. So this has become the perfect corner to click your outfit pictures, and मेरे लिए भी बहुत easy हो जाता है. Then luckily what I found is just unbelievable. This is the most stunning piece I have, like literally hand picked for my studio. This is this huge white feather full length lamp. This is a floor lamp, and this has 3 different modes of lighting, like warm, white, जो आजकल basically होता है. And this looks so beautiful with the whole vibe of the whole space. ये सारे outfit के videos या pictures आने वाले आपको basically यही मिलेंगे, and I mean look at it. I'm so happy by how it has turned out. Moving on towards my right, just after the mirror, is the balcony, a cute sa balcony, and which obviously has plants, a lot of them, because अगर मैंने आपको बोला है that I love plants. This is the balcony. This is the most comfortable spot I have in the whole of the studio, and this gives me basically the perfect sunlight, the perfect breeze, and it's so calm to just sit here, sip my coffee, do journaling and plan content for you guys. I obviously need a lot of plants, a lot of more plants. So if you have any recommendations of where do I purchase like good indoor plants or just low maintenance plants, basically let me know in the comments. And we have a sliding door to it, and then we have curtains. For the curtains as well, I wanted these sheer linen curtains to just keep flowing, and I wanted it to be airy. So I also hand picked all of these curtains and wanted it just how to fit in with the color, with the muted tones. Abhi ke liye we have just put in like 2 color shades. So if you do not know, yes, this is a 2 BHK apartment, and we have just completed doing the living room, we have completed doing the kitchen and the bedroom. वो bits and pieces में you'll see while the right time comes. Right in front of the living room is the highlight of my studio, which is the open kitchen. मतलब ये एक और reason था to say yes to this apartment, that it had an open kitchen, and I just couldn't convince anyone from my family to get myself an open kitchen. So towards my left, while the kitchen starts, मैंने add किया है ये dual, मतलब दोनों तरफ से ये दिखता है. So this is a vintage clock. ये I got this as a housewarming gift from my brother and my sister-in-law. So it just adds a perfect pop of color. I didn't want to go ahead with big clocks or anything as such. Love how this is looking. Moving on, we have also added cute little plants over here, planters. ये मतलब इतना अच्छा नहीं लग रहा अभी, but obviously we'll look after it and we'll take care of these. Towards my left, I have this wall, and I have to tell you what this is all about. So we had this wall left, and we didn't think the need of a crockery cabinet as of now. So जब हमने फर्नीचर बनवाया था तब इतना आइडिया नहीं था कि हमें क्रॉकरी कैबिनेट की ज़रूरत होगी, क्योंकि जो क्रॉकरी मेरे पास थी वो ऑलरेडी मतलब किचन के कबर्ड में फिट हो गए थे. बट देन माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड गिफ्टेड मी अ होल सेट ऑफ vintage dinner set with like everything. Basically that's a huge thing which I have always manifested, and she gifted that as a studio house warming sort of a thing. और अब उसको रखने के लिए मेरे पास जगह नहीं है, एंड वो इतना सुंदर है कि उसको रखने के लिए आई नीड अ सेपरेट यूनिट ऑल टुगेदर. सो देन आई थॉट ऑफ यूजिंग दिस स्पेस, एंड वी हैव ऑर्डर्ड. Again, we have custom made crockery cabinet, which is just the perfect Pinterest coded cabinet and it's coming in 1 or 2 days. पर उसके लिए तो एक अलग वीडियो बनेगा. I will not show that in this video because that is going to be a whole different video of me curating this whole space, setting up this whole space basically. So उसके लिए you have to come back again to my channel and watch that video. So अभी के लिए this is the whole living room and this is the entryway to the rest of the rooms. एंड टू एड अ लिटिल एलिमेंट मैंने यहाँ पे ये शेयर ऐसे कटआउट कर्टेन्स ऐड किए हैं सो दैट इट यू नो जस्ट एलिवेट्स द होल पैसेज. आई हैव एडेड अ रबर प्लांट जो अभी फ़िलहाल 1-2 दिन ही हुआ है बस. एंड सो दैट्स अबाउट इट फॉर द होल लिविंग रूम. सो आप लोग कॉमेंट्स में बताना व्हाट मोर शुड आई मेक फ्रॉम द स्टूडियो सीरीज, व्हाट मोर यू वांट टू सी जिससे आपकी भी मदद हो. सो या अभी के लिए आई होप यू गाइज enjoy watching the studio series and आपको मज़ा आया होगा with how I have curated and styled the whole space. Let me know in the comments how you find this video. I'll see you guys soon with the next episode. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I put up a new video. I'll see you guys soon with another video. Bye.